Picture this. Deep in the lush Amazon rainforest, a shadow moves with deadly precision. This is the jaguar, nature's perfect killing machine and the most complete predator in the Americas. Let me tell you why these magnificent cats are true masters of their domain. From the moment they're born, jaguars possess razor-sharp instincts that set them apart. Unlike other big cats, they don't need to learn most hunting behaviors. It's hardwired into their DNA. They can swim, climb, and stalk with expertise that seems almost supernatural. These apex predators have adapted to thrive in diverse habitats, from dense rainforests to swampy wetlands and even semi-arid grasslands. They're equally comfortable in water as they are on land, something pretty rare for big cats. You might find them swimming across rivers or lounging in trees. They own every environment they inhabit, but it's their raw power that's truly mind-blowing. Pound for pound, jaguars are the strongest of all big cats. Their muscular build allows them to drag prey twice their own weight up into trees. Imagine carrying a full-grown cow up a ladder. Their stocky frame and powerful limbs give them incredible explosive force when attacking. Here's where it gets really interesting. Their bite force. A jaguar's bite is stronger than that of a lion or tiger, packing around 2,000 pounds of pressure per square inch. That's enough to crush a turtle's shell or pierce the thick skull of a caiman. While other big cats typically go for the throat, jaguars prefer the skull, delivering a deadly bite directly to the brain. Their hunting technique is both brutal and efficient. Unlike other predators that might chase down their prey, jaguars are ambush specialists. They'll patiently wait for the perfect moment, then unleash an explosive attack that usually kills with a single bite. From capybaras to caimans, deer to river turtles, nothing is safe from these supreme hunters. The jaguar isn't just another big cat. It's nature's perfect combination of strength, skill, and instinct. In the animal kingdom, few predators can match their versatility and effectiveness. They truly are the most complete predator on our planet.